at Bill Thomas RV in Wentzville, Missouri, and we're going to tour some new Airstreams. They have 2025s on the lot, so we're going to focus on that today. This is our first time seeing a Tradewind in person, so let's go inside. The first thing that you'll notice on the 2025s is this very distinct, very new, very different color door handle.
Which is also different on the inside.
Yeah. I think this is Airstream's solution to the old door handle. This is a 25 Tradewind front bed twin. This is the terracotta color. Interestingly enough, Nick and I came and viewed this exact unit yesterday, just kind of looking around the lot while we were here getting service done, and someone purchased it today. So luckily they didn't lock it up. We can still take a quick tour of it. The overhead, all of the cabinets in the Tradewind have latches, so they don't come open in transit, but otherwise it's the exact layout to the normal 25 front bed queen or front bed twin. This one has the convection microwave rather than the oven. If you are wondering the differences between the 25 foot and the 27 foot, there's not much, but we do have a video that shows off the 23, 25, and 27 foot models and the differences in the floor plans, because they all are basically the same. You just get a little bit extra storage room in each floor plan. Here's the wardrobe. And then a new thing for 2025s is a lot of their door handles have changed, and it is magnetized, so whenever you turn the handle it releases the magnet, so it's a much smoother open and close. We'll show that off in a couple of the other ones. It might be a little bit easier to see. There's some more storage up here, and then because this is the twin, it's got storage overhead as well as a nightstand. New for the 2025s and 2024s is the GE air conditioner. They have the new vent up top. The TVs of the 2025 are rimless, so it doesn't have as much of a rim around. They're much more sleek looking.
I think they're also all smart TVs.
Yes.
So like we have an Apple TV in ours, but you wouldn't need that with this one.
And then this one has the Victron display here. This is specific to the Tradewind, but they do have this in here. What else am I missing?
In that cabinet, it's got the...
I keep forgetting about the latches because ours doesn't have it. It's got telephone jacks, just kidding. It's got Ethernet ports and USB ports in the cabinet now, which most of them don't have that. Well, they don't have that. Right. The older models don't have the Ethernet.
Correct. That was new for 2024.
Yeah, we added the smart plug in ours, and it we pushed it to the bedroom. But now that comes standard, which was super nice. The MSRP on this is $143.
I like the colors in this one.
I do not.
Oh. Okay.
I'm just not a huge fan. I like the other Tradewind color over the terracotta. The Tradewind does come with the lift kit already installed. I know a lot of people do this aftermarket on Airstreams, but they have the all-terrain tires and the lift kit already done. Outdoor storage. This is a 2025 Globetrotter 30-foot rear bed queen. This is a really cool layout.
I love this layout.
In fact, if we were in the market, we are not, if we were in the market for a new Airstream, this might be the one I chose. I would definitely miss our hatch, but man, this is a nice layout. MSRP is $160,000. Let's get started. I do like the two-tone, how You've got like the gray and the lighter wood, and then over here you've got the dark gray cabinets. Got storage or trash can up here. The cabinets have the mirror back here. We got a large pantry. I think they upgraded the door handles. I might be wrong. We didn't get to tour a lot of Globetrotters. So again, this is the magnetic. There's no like latch. It just magnetizes when it shuts. And then when you open it, it's kind of smooth and quiet. This has a separate bathroom and shower. The shower is pretty similar to all Airstreams. You have the queen in the back, which Nick and I noticed compared to ours, so I believe this was new in 24 or 25. The nightstands are much lower, which leads to much less storage space. And they've got this kind of wraparound like headboard, if you will. I'm sure there is a good reason for it. I feel like I would prefer the additional storage space. We don't get a lot in there, but we get more than what they have now. And then you do have the overhead storage.
I also think it's interesting, this has 4 vents in the bedroom.
And ours has 2.
And ours is just 2, which is 2 seems like plenty. So in the galley area, it only has 4 vents. So we have 6 vents in the galley. This has 4. So the reason I like this layout, though, is I really like this kind of like elongated table.
Yeah.
Which is, I think, better than the dinettes.
It's a nice workspace. Like, not too big, not too wide, but you've got space for your computer, or if you're eating dinner or lunch or something like that, and then you could even kind of use it as like a serving table or something if you want.
But then I also like that it has like a seating area in the back where it's somewhere to sit that's not the table.
Yeah, so I really like this entry area where you walk in and you've got like plenty of space. You kind of have all this room versus a lot of them you just kind of, you walk into a table or dinette or sofa or something like that. This has got plenty of open space. You can have the dogs could have zoomies in here. It's hard to see because of the tape, but this is the rimless smart TV. And then I did want to say the freshwater tank is 53 gallons. The gray water tank is 36 gallons, as well as a 36-gallon blackwater tank. Moving on to the next one. Next up, 2025 Pottery Barn 28 RB.
Pottery Barn.
If you'll also notice, the handle has changed on the screen as well. It's a different hook than what
so
we
much
have.
better.
Yeah. Welcome to the Pottery Barn. I feel like this is very similar to the 30-foot Globetrotter, sort of, or the normal 30-foot RVs, because you've got the dinette, you've got the seating area. I do like the finishes here, except for the furniture cushions. I'm not a huge fan of that, but we have dogs, so that's always a consideration. So they have the lights in here, but no mirrors. I guess you'll have to come this way so that you can view it. It's a little bit different though. This is a little bit bigger than what we've been seeing. And it's funny because the port window changes, which I didn't realize.
A little bit different.
In the 28-foot, they only have the one wardrobe. And wow, they have a mirror inside. Hot diggity dog. I need to find out where they got this mirror.
Go to the parts list.
So this is a twin. So very similar to all the other twins. There's the wardrobes on either side above the feet, and then overhead storage and the nightstand.
This one's interesting though because it has it on both sides.
Yeah.
Normally it's just on one side.
I do like these where you've got
Access to all the lights.
The lights and the awnings, and then you've got a little bit nicer lights here versus just kind of the puck lights and stuff.
So the water control for the water heater is in the kitchen, and almost all of them it's in the bathroom.
Which is nice because the kitchen is a lot of times where you're using the, I don't know, I just feel like every time we're questioning whether the hot water is turning on, it's in the kitchen, so you gotta run to the bathroom and then come back.
You'd have the same problem if it was in the kitchen with the bathroom.
There.
Anything else on the Pottery Barn?
They have a spice rack next to the ovens.
The trash can.
So the trash can is a pull-out, which is nice. But you sort of lose storage down here. I assume that's where components or wheels or something are, but that's not really a storage space.
Yeah, a lot of storage there though.
Every layout has its pros and cons. Like you have to decide what you're willing to deal with or what you like the best out of all of them and go with it. Oh, that's amazing!
We just found out it has a doorbell.
I need one of these. That's the best upgrade so far. I thought it was the door handle. It's not. It's the door handle.
Emily's walking to the Brinkley.
No, I'm not. We were told that there's a 33-foot classic here. I believe it's a 2025. It might be a 2024. And I've never been in a 33-foot. No one's ever had one. So I'm interested in the floor plan and just kind of looking around. I will preface, I do not want one. It is way too big. I think a 30-foot is too big. But I want to see what they look like on the inside.
Oh man, I didn't realize they had that many Airstreams here.
Yeah, we thought this was like the used side yesterday.
All right, Emily's found what she's interested in.
Well, this one's definitely new because it's got the new ACs up top, the GE ones.
Yeah. We're gonna get a 33-foot classic. We're gonna get a 33-foot classic. It's so big.
So.
It's huge. Hold on.
Welcome to the 2025 33 Classic Twin. You will notice we have a doorbell. I assume classics have doorbells now that I saw another classic with one, but we don't have one, so I want one. Oh my goodness. All the space. So twin beds up front, refrigerator, dinette. This is interesting. It's very low, like low backed. Dinette. Stove, like air fryer ribbon.
Yeah.
Nice. The most important part is the MSRP on this is $214,000. So if you're interested, just keep that in mind. Oh, it's for the hood, the vent. Got it. Tons of space. These are cool. So you lose out on no, you have a little bit of a pantry over here, but there's not like a. Oh my!
You get a real bathroom.
I've never been in one. Oh wow! There's so much room. It could be a bathroom party. I don't want to open all of this, but it's super nice. So the wardrobe, I was going to say you don't get much of a wardrobe, but the wardrobe is in the bathroom. So, and you get mirrors. It's very hard to get dressed when you don't have mirrors.
That's the power.
It's not plugged in. I didn't think we were plugged in because it's kind of warm in here.
Oh no, that's just the light switch for the, that's funny. It's the same button as the power.
Yeah. So there's the lights are here. And then it's odd that it would open that way, but...
Medicine cabinet. There's
2 vents in that.
She says no, but we're getting one.
It's too much. It's too big. We don't need all this space.
It doesn't actually feel like that much more space, because like this area isn't like a ton of space, because if you look at it, the couch is facing the TV that's across.
Oh, for 2025, I believe in the classics it used to be a projector TV, and now the TV is actually comes out of the wall in here. There is no power hooked up to this, so we can't
Test anything.
We can't test anything. So this one has a 53-foot fresh tank, 39-gallon black tank, and a 34-gallon gray tank.
But for 33 feet, like, the bedroom is relatively small. It's the length of a twin bed.
Yep. It's the same. I mean, like, it's
but
the
you
same
do get
layout as all the other twin beds. You're not getting any more feet in the bedroom.
But it's closed off because there's a door to this bedroom.
Yeah.
And so once you close that off, it actually feels like your main area here. Like, I'm standing at the door for the bedroom,
Yeah,
and Emily's at the door. Like, I don't think it's... Oh, I think it feels... There's a lot of room, but I think it feels smaller because it's got walls.
Oh, you mean the trailer itself feels smaller?
Yeah. I mean, no, it feels big. Like, the trailer itself, it feels big, but once you cut off the bathroom and you cut off the bedroom, the living space, I guess, feels small because there's walls.
Gotcha. Just interesting. It's very nice.
It's got a lot of windows. I like that.
Yup. Oh, man. It's so nice. So it's interesting. There's only 5 vents in this kitchen living area. AC vents.
Yeah, so
and
there's...
we have 6 in ours.
And then there's 2 in the bathroom, you said? And 2 in the bedroom.
That wraps up our tour of the 2025 model Airstreams. Let us know which one you like best. If you could trade in your camper, which one would you get? What's your favorite floor plan? Thanks for watching.